How to get $200 Taxslayer promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in Taxslayer promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of this website you can easily get a working promo code for Taxslayer. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, CNET. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $65 deal, 50% coupon, 25% deal, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. All you have to do is click on the option of get coupon code or get deal. So here's the code. You can click on copy. Then click on copy and go to store. You will be directed to the official website of Taxslayer. Now you can log into your account. You can simply pay your tax. And while you confirm it, you will find the section of promo code. Over there you can paste the code and you can get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page you're going to find tons of offers. Just scroll and grab any of the deal. Likewise, make sure to check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Taxslayer. Well, this way you can easily get up to $200 Taxslayer promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.